Hi everyone, welcome back to Unreal with Usman. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to make a dash mechanics in Unreal Engine 5. I will show you the easiest and simplest way to create a dash mechanics. So first of all, I will show you the final result. As you can see, when I press the dash input, the character quickly moves forward and plays the dash mechanics. So let's build the system from scratch. Also, if you are interested in learning how to make a dash mechanics work in multiplayer, I have already made a separate tutorial where I replicate the dash system for server and client. I will also leave the link to that video in the description. For this tutorial, I am using a dash animation from the Lyra starter game. You can easily get this animation by downloading the Lyra starter game from Unreal Engine and just say to retarget the animation to your character. After that, I create an montage of my animation sequence and set it names am dash. After that, save it, and here is my animation montage which I am using. After that, I go to our default pawn class called BP 30% character, and on here I search for the alt input keyboard event. You can use anything, any input key event, so I am simply using left alt keyboard event, and after that search for the do once node, and then play our animation montage. On here select our animation montage called am dash, then we search for the get actor forward vector, because to know which direction the character is facing, so dash goes forward directly. After that, made a variable of type float and set its name to dash strength. Compile and save that and set it to dash strength value to 1500. Drag it and get it and multiply with our new dash strength variable. Then we search for the node called launch character. What launch character do? Because it is actually move the player forward in the dash direction. Then connect to that previous node, and after delay of 1 second we connect to the reset of the do once node, so it play again. Add a rewrite node so that our code looks nice. Now compile and save that. After, when we play the game, yes, you can see that our dash mechanics is working perfectly. So that's all for this tutorial. If it helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Unreal Engine content. And if you have any question, feel free to ask me in the comment section. And thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.